future code.
Variables and math fun. Magic boxes.
Hi there, friends! Today we're going to learn about something really cool. It's called a variable. Variable? Does that mean it can, change? Exactly. A variable is like a little box where you can put anything you want. And later on, you can even change what's inside. So, it's like a fridge. You can toss in any snack you want, right? Oh, you and your snacks again. All right, check it out, Sareen. You just made a box called Name and you put a treasure inside it called Samin. Oh. Now, if you want to see what's inside, what do you do? I type print name, right? Print name. Great job! But wait. I want to put my name in the box. How about I am Sareen, huh? Name equals I am Sareen. Print name. Yes! I put a whole sentence in my box. Perfect, you see? With Print, the computer shows whatever you put in your box. Now let's make another one called age. Age equals 10. Print age. That means my age is 10. And now the computer shows it right on the screen. Oh, I keep getting errors. What's going on? Oh no. You've entered the jungle of variables. And in this jungle, you have to follow some rules. Standards and rules. Number 1. A variable must start with a letter, not a number. Number 2. You can use letters, numbers, and underscores only. But number 3. No spaces allowed. Number 4. No symbols allowed. Number 5. Don't use Python special words like print, if, or y. Alright, Sareen, your turn. Make 2 variables and show them with print. Got it. Food equals cookie. Fruit equals apple. Print food. Print fruit. Oh, now I'm hungry. Oh, you and your tummy again. Now you know how to use variables and show them on the screen. That means you're learning how to really talk to your computer. Let's see what other fun things we can do next.